Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video here we have the question, this number equal to 81 power 3x, and we have to find out the value of the x. So first of all, we know that under root is equal to power 1 over 2. So there is 1 under root above 3. It means we can say that 3 power 1 over 2. And there are 2 under roots above 9, this under root and this under root. So we can say that 9 power 1 over 2 into 1 over 2, and there are 3 under roots above 27, so 27 power 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 into 1 over 2. So in the same way we can write over here equal to 3 power 4 power 3x, because 81 can be written as 3 power 4. If you multiply 3 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so you will get 81. So here we have 3 power 1 over 2 into 3 power 1 over 2, because 2 into 1 upon 4, that is 1 over 2, into 3 power 3 over 8 equal to 3 power 12x. So 4 into 3, that will be 12x. Now here you can see when the bases are same, you can add the powers. So all the bases are same. So 3 power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 8. Then you can find the LCM. Now here you can see that the largest number is 8 in the denominator. So keep 8 in the denominator. So 2 into 4, that will be 8. So multiply 4 with 1, plus again multiply 4 with 1, and 8 multiplied by 1, that will be 8. So multiply 1 with 3. So you will get this one, and equal to 11 over 8. So 3 power 11 over 8 equal to 3 power 12x. Now we can see that both the bases are same on both the sides. So therefore we can equate both the powers. 11 over 8 equal to 12x. Now simply bring down 12 and multiply with 8. So you will get x equal to 11 divided by 8 into 12, that will be 96. So the value of x is 11 over 96. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.